Are you aware that the maximum speed accomplished by the Ferrari is 340 km/h? Let's enjoy the manufacturing of Ferrari cars and their engines, which could accelerate from 0 to 62 mph in only 2.9 seconds. The highly tuned engine is made by pouring molten aluminum into a mold, then it will take 5 hours for the engine frame to be ready. The surface of the engine block is ground. A machine takes few measurements to examine the engine's quality. Then, the crankshaft and pistons are installed and inspected. The engine production is finally completed, and it's sent to the next station. Workers weld several panels to form the skeleton of Ferrari. These panels are made from aluminum for weight reduction purpose. The lightweight body is inspected, and the surface is finished. A needle sensor checks 800 spots of the body. The body passes through a paint shop where various types of paint coats are applied. The body is cleaned and transported for the further constructions. Now some installations are performed in the vehicle. Then the tires are attached, and the employees work on the remaining bottom assemblies. A robot puts adhesive on the windshield's frame, and then inserts the windshield. The upholstery is stitched according to the color scheme. This is the Fiorano test track, where the engine power, top speed, and performance are tested. Eventually, the Ferrari company is ready to sell its vehicle and get the highest profit per car within the automotive industry.